I'm just gonna call. School has three different layers of color. You got the white, the grayish, and the dark gray over here. Lord, I come to you and I pray that everybody is safe in this rain. Keep us safe, protect us. Pray that nothing bad happens, no light power outage or nothing. Keep us safe. We love you. Thank you for everything you do for us. You keep us safe. Thank you for letting us have a great nation. We love you. Thank you. Amen. Sun's coming down high. Did that guy with the motorcycle? He's fucked. There's another guy over there standing out looking at the woman too.